In this tutorial, we will take a look at how you can have multiple pages with different sizes in the same document in Adobe InDesign. So first, let's create a new page, which you can do in the Pages window, and if it's not visible, you can go to Window and then select Pages or press F12. And here in the Pages window, I'm going to click the plus sign to create a new page. Now, this new page, I have the new page selected, and I can take my Page tool now, or press Shift-P, and then with the second page selected, first make sure that in this toolbar, and I'm working in the advanced workspace, that in this toolbar you have the liquid page rule set to off. Because, as you can see, if it's controlled by parent and I now choose to do this, you can see that my first page also changes. And if I now release it, because I just dragged, which doesn't work, it reverts back to the usual size, the normal size. But if I turn my control by parent off, as you can see now, if I move it, the first page doesn't change. But it also reverts back to the original size, which you can then Alt or Option drag it, and it will keep the dimensions you choose. What you can also do is in this top menu or in the Properties window here, and if it's not visible, you can go to Window and then choose Properties. You can choose which format you want to use. For example, an A4, and as you can see, it now changes. Or select a size here, or create a custom size. Or, quick tip, if you know the pixels you want to have, but you do not know the corresponding inches, for example, if I press 1080 and then put pixels at the back and press Enter, it will revert it or transform it into the corresponding inches. So that's also something you can do. Also goes for if you're working in pixels, you know the inches you want to have, you just type in 15 and then IN and Enter. It will change it into the corresponding pixel size. You can have multiple pages with different sizes. Just like this. You can use the page tool to alt drag it to a size you want. You can use the menu bar here to create a custom size, given your width, your height. Just make sure that the liquid page rule is turned off. But yeah, that's how you can change page sizes of multiple pages in the same document. Just like this. In Adobe InDesign. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.